Electrochemical machining is the ideal technology for manufacturing rifle barrels. Using a specialized system, the PI 2500 can simultaneously process up to 8 barrels with a maximum length of 32 inches, while the PI 800 can handle up to 2 barrels with a length of up to 39 inches. At the heart of this process is the cathode tool. With its slim, elongated design, it produces the desired internal geometry of a barrel with the highest precision. From polygonal and progressive to classic rifling profiles, virtually any geometry can be achieved. Up to 8 cathodes can operate simultaneously in a compact module. The cathodes are easy to replace, and components can be loaded quickly. eMag developed this concept because it is more flexible than traditional hammering and more cost-efficient due to lower investment requirements.